Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to fix a leaky air valve in your Hotspot, Limelight, Tiger River, and Hot Spring Spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, or snap ring tool. Parts you will need: O-ring, 11/16 outer diameter by 1/2 inch inner diameter. Step 1. Remove the air control lever by prying upward with a flathead screwdriver. Step 2. Remove the air control valve stopper with needle nose pliers or a snap ring tool by turning it counterclockwise. Step 3. Remove the broken O-ring and replace it with a new one. Step 4. Install the air control valve stopper. Step 5. Install the air control valve lever. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.